Very good morning, children. So today we are going to continue 6th Roman of exercise 3.1. So this is going to be the figure D. So as per the question, we have to find the angle measure of x. If we can observe the figure, let us name it P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. So here, as you know, this sign of equality indicates that all the sides are equal. And if we check the angle measures x, 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 x and x. So clearly the given figure is a regular polygon. So, and the other thing is, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 5 sides makes this polygon PQRST. Then 5-sided polygon we call pentagon. Okay. So the figure or the polygon PQRST is a regular pentagon. Okay. So clearly PQRST is a regular polygon. Okay. Regular polygon. For the regular polygon, it is very much easy to find the angle measures because 5 or else look. Number of sides into the angle measure will be equal to sum of the angles of the given regular pentagon. Okay, when you find a figure as a regular figure with all the sides and angles as equal, then what we have to do is, no need to find as we did yesterday, number of angles minus 2 into 180 like that. Number of sides into the angle measure. Okay, number of sides into angle measure will be equal to the sum of the angles of a pentagon. So number of sides are 5 and the given angle measure is x, which is equal to 540 degrees. This is applicable only for regular polygons only. If it is going to be a hexagon, 6 into x. If it is going to be a heptagon, 7 into x. If it is going to be an octagon, 8 into x. Simple. So 5 into x is equal to 540 degrees. We want only the value of x. Thus x will be equal to 540 divided by 5. Okay. So upon cancellation, 5 ones are 5 zeros, 5 eights. So the value of x is equal to 108 degrees. The value of x is equal to 108 degree. Hope you are clear, children. Being the regular pentagon, we are directly doing the procedure as number of sides of the polygon. Since a pentagon 5 into, as the angle measure is going to be equal for all the angles, directly we are taking that angle measure which is x. So 5 into x, which is equal to sum of all the angles of a pentagon will be equal to 540 degrees. So as we want only individual angle, x is equal to 540 by 5, 108. Hence the angle measure is 108 degrees. Now let us move to 7th Roman, in which I am going to deal question B, so that A is going to be your today's homework. So please observe the board carefully. So 7th Roman B1. So the figure indicates clearly a quadrilateral 4-sided figure where this x, y, z, w are exterior angles of the quadrilateral. Just for the convenience, let us keep the name for the quadrilateral as A, B, C and D. Okay. So for the quadrilateral ABCD, X, Y, Z, W are the exterior angles. So they are asking us to find the angle measures of these exterior angles X, Y, Z and W, and thus add the respective angle measures to get the answer. Please children, interior angles are quite different to exterior angles. First, look, here 120 is one interior angle, 80 is one interior angle, 60 degrees is another interior angle, and here we miss one more interior angle. You can start the solution in any way. First you can find the interior angles and then can get the exterior angles, or directly you can find the exterior angles. So you can use any method which is convenient to you. But I am going to use my method, which is first I want to find the unknown interior angle so that I can get all the exterior angles in easy phase. So look, from quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Here when I am saying angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, I am pointing to interior angles only. Okay. So this angle A, angle B, angle C and the unknown angle D. Okay. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. We already have the angle measure for angle A as 120 degrees plus angle B as 80 degrees plus angle C as 60 degrees, and we want to know the angle measure of angle D. So let us keep it angle D itself. So 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 60. So 260 degrees plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. As we want only the value of angle D is going to be equal to 360 degrees minus 260 degrees, which is equal to 100 degree. Okay. Now we have the value of D as 100 degrees. Okay. Hope you got. This is very easy one. Now as we have all the interior angles, we can find the exterior angles very easily, because look, all these portions are forming a straight angle. Okay. Therefore, what we can say clearly 120 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So straight angle. The straight angle measure is 180 degrees, as you know. So using the same property here, we are going to write 120 degrees plus x is equal to 120 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Then we can get the value of x is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which gives us 60 degrees. Okay, we got the value of x as 60 degrees. Now let us find the value of B's, Y, Z and W like that. So 80 degrees plus Y is equal to 180 degrees, which is straight angle again. Straight angle. So Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, which gives us 100 degrees again. And similarly, 60 degrees plus Z is equal to 180 degrees, which is a straight angle. So Z is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. Okay. Next, 100 degrees plus W is equal to 180 degrees. Again a straight angle. Again a straight angle. So W is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which is equal to 80 degrees. Okay. Now we have the value of X, Y, Z and W. Therefore, X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to, we have the value of X as 60 degrees plus 100 degrees plus 120 degrees plus 80 degrees. So which is going to be equal to, here we have 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 60, 360 degrees. Okay. So hope you are clear with this, children. In the same way, do 7th Roman A as today's homework by drawing the figure and then find the exterior angles. In the A figure also, we have to find one more interior angle, using which you will get all the 3 exterior angles. Hope you are clear. Have a great day.